Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking Channel. Today I'll share with you healthy and nutritious fenugreek leaves paratha. For making this recipe, I have taken a small bunch of fenugreek leaves. In rainy season, leafy vegetables have some dust and impurities. Rinse under flowing water 2 to 3 times. Any recipe of fenugreek leaves is very nutritious because it is rich with iron, phosphorus, potassium and calcium. Tear off the leaves with your fingers which are not rotten and fresh. Now roll and hold the bunch of fenugreek leaves with your left hand and then chop with your right hand like this. Our fenugreek leaves are cut. Now I will chop half of an onion. First cut the onion into slices. Then shred the onion. We need to chop 3 to 4 green chilli. Chop the green chilli into small circle. Smash the green chilli. Prepare 2 tablespoons sesame seed. Let the pan heat up. Then reduce the heat. Add 2 tablespoons sesame seed. Shake the pan so that heat can distribute evenly. Dry roast until it crackles. Then add the sesame seed in a grinder jar. Grind it. In a mixing bowl, add 3/4 glass wheat flour, 1 cup chickpea flour. Fenugreek leaves have lots of water. Squeeze the water from fenugreek leaves with your hand like this. Then add the chopped fenugreek leaves into the mixing bowl. Add chopped and smashed green chilli, chopped onion. Next add half a teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons cooking oil. You can replace the oil with ghee. Now it's time to give a good mix using a whisker. First mix all these ingredients well. Combine the fenugreek leaves with the flour. Add little water and knead the flour until it forms a dough. Then add roasted sesame seed. Sprinkle little oil with your fingers, then knead again with the backside of your fingers. Cover and set aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, divide the dough into small dumplings. Sprinkle some flour and then take a dumpling, flat it with your fingers. Now roll the dough with rolling pin until it forms a circular shape of diameter 25 centimeter. Roll it gently, otherwise it may stick with rolling pin. Prepare all the paratha like this. Now heat a small non-stick tawa. Add a teaspoon ghee. After the ghee is hot, gently place the paratha. Reduce the heat and add a tablespoon ghee on the top of the paratha. Cook over medium heat for 2 minutes until the bottom is set and it is lightly brown color. Then turn it over. Press it gently. Apply some ghee on the top of the other side and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Press in between and rotate with your fingers so that each side of paratha will be well cooked. It can cook evenly from each side. See, our nutritious, yummy fenugreek leaves paratha is done. It's looking so appetizing. You can give this yummy paratha to your kids' school tiffin box. Serve this yummy paratha with pickles. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.